Hello everyone! Welcome to Decor Tricks. Today, we're diving into the heart of the home, the kitchen. As we journey through this video, we'll uncover the latest remodeling ideas for 2024 that will breathe new life into your kitchen space. Whether you're dreaming of a sleek modern design or a cozy rustic retreat, there's something here for everyone. So, grab a seat, get cozy, and let's explore how you can transform your kitchen into a functional and stylish oasis that reflects your unique taste and lifestyle. Now, let's talk about color. The color palette you choose can set the tone for your entire kitchen. In 2024, we're seeing a shift towards warm earth tones that evoke a sense of coziness and comfort. Think sandy beiges, soft terracottas, and rich browns. These colors create a welcoming atmosphere that's perfect for gathering with family and friends. On the flip side, moody colors like deep greens and blues are making a splash in kitchen design. These bold hues add drama and depth to the space, creating a sense of sophistication and elegance. And if you prefer a more understated look, you can't go wrong with timeless neutral shades like white, gray, and taupe. They provide a versatile backdrop that allows you to play with accents and accessories to suit your style. So, whether you're drawn to earthy warmth, bold drama, or classic elegance, there's a color palette for every taste and aesthetic in 2024. Now that we've discussed color, let's talk about the layout of your kitchen. A functional layout is essential for maximizing space and efficiency, making your kitchen a joy to work in. In 2024, there are several popular layout options to consider. First up is the U-shaped layout, which offers plenty of counter space and storage options while keeping everything within easy reach. It's perfect for larger kitchens where you want to optimize every square inch of space. Next, we have the L-shaped layout, which is ideal for smaller kitchens or open-concept spaces. It provides a compact and efficient work triangle between the stove, sink, and refrigerator, making meal preparation a breeze. And finally, there's the open-concept layout, which seamlessly integrates the kitchen with the rest of the living space. This layout creates a sense of flow and connectivity, making it perfect for entertaining and socializing while cooking. No matter which layout you choose, the key is to prioritize functionality and efficiency to create a kitchen that works for you. So, take some time to consider your needs and preferences, and choose a layout that suits your lifestyle and space constraints. Now, let's talk about storage, an essential aspect of any kitchen design. In 2024, innovative storage solutions are taking center stage, helping you make the most of every inch of space. Imagine having pull-out pantry shelves that allow you to access items at the back without rummaging through clutter. Or corner cabinets with rotating shelves that maximize storage in those hard-to-reach corners. These solutions not only optimize space, but also make organizing and accessing your kitchen essentials a breeze. And let's not forget about drawer organizers, which help keep utensils, cutlery, and gadgets neatly organized and easily accessible. With customizable dividers and compartments, you can create a storage system that fits your needs perfectly. By incorporating these innovative storage solutions into your kitchen design, you can declutter your space and create a more organized and efficient cooking environment. So, say goodbye to kitchen chaos and hello to seamless storage solutions that make life in the kitchen a whole lot easier. Now, let's talk about the exciting world of smart appliances and technology that's revolutionizing kitchens in 2024. Picture this, a touchscreen refrigerator that lets you see what's inside without even opening the door. Or how about a voice-controlled faucet that dispenses the perfect amount of water with just a command? These are just a couple of examples of the innovative technology that's making its way into kitchens everywhere. With integrated home automation systems, you can control everything from lighting and temperature to music and security cameras with just the touch of a button or a simple voice command. And let's not forget about the energy efficiency and connectivity features of these appliances. From smart thermostats that help you save on energy bills to refrigerators that can order groceries for you when you're running low, these appliances are designed to make your life easier and more convenient. So, whether you're a tech enthusiast or just looking to streamline your kitchen tasks, incorporating smart appliances and technology into your kitchen design is sure to take your cooking experience to the next level. Now, let's talk about adding those finishing touches that really make your kitchen shine. We're talking about stylish fixtures and finishes that add personality and flair to your space. One of the hottest trends in 2024 is matte black fixtures. From faucets to cabinet hardware, matte black adds a touch of sophistication and modernity to any kitchen design. It's sleek, stylish, and versatile, making it a popular choice among homeowners and designers alike. Another trend to consider is brass hardware. Brass fixtures add warmth and elegance to your kitchen, creating a timeless and luxurious look. Whether you opt for polished brass for a classic vibe or brushed brass for a more understated feel, brass hardware is sure to make a statement in your kitchen. And let's not forget about lighting fixtures. Statement lighting is a great way to add drama and personality to your kitchen. Whether you go for a bold pendant light over the island or a chic chandelier above the dining area, lighting fixtures can truly elevate the look and feel of your space. So, don't overlook the importance of fixtures and finishes when designing your kitchen. By incorporating stylish hardware and lighting, you can create a kitchen that's not only functional but also a feast for the eyes. Now, let's shift our focus to sustainability and eco-friendliness in kitchen design. In 2024, there's a growing emphasis on using eco-friendly materials and sustainable practices to create kitchens that are not only beautiful but also environmentally responsible. One popular trend is using reclaimed wood for cabinetry, flooring, and countertops. Reclaimed wood adds character and warmth to your kitchen while reducing the demand for new timber and minimizing environmental impact. Another eco-friendly option to consider is recycled glass countertops. Made from recycled glass bottles and other materials, these countertops are not only stunning but also help divert waste from landfills and reduce the need for virgin materials. And let's not forget about energy-efficient appliances. From Energy Star-rated refrigerators to induction cooktops, there are plenty of options available to help you reduce your energy consumption and lower your carbon footprint. By incorporating sustainable materials and practices into your kitchen design, you can create a space that's not only aesthetically pleasing but also environmentally conscious. So, let's do our part to protect the planet while creating the kitchen of our dreams. As we wrap up our exploration of the top kitchen remodel ideas for 2024, it's clear that there are endless possibilities for transforming your kitchen into a functional and stylish space that reflects your personality and lifestyle. From trendy color palettes and innovative storage solutions to smart appliances and eco-friendly design, there's something for everyone to love. Whether you're planning a full-scale remodel or just looking to make a few updates, incorporating these ideas can breathe new life into your kitchen and enhance your cooking experience. So, take inspiration from these trends, get creative, and have fun designing the kitchen of your dreams. With the right planning and a little imagination, you can create a space that not only meets your practical needs, but also brings joy and beauty to your home for years to come. Cheers to your kitchen transformation journey. If you enjoyed this video and found the ideas helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends and family who might also be embarking on their kitchen remodeling journey. Subscribe to our channel for more home improvement tips, design inspiration, and creative ideas to enhance every corner of your living space. Thank you for watching, and happy remodeling!